Hello everyone, today we will solve an interesting math problem. Find the answer and write it in the comments. Okay, let's start. We have two solutions for this question. Let's start with the first solution. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for like. First addition, 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 power on 5 equals 5 times 5 equals 25. Finally, multiplication 10 times 25 equals 250. Okay, if you solved the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, S stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operation are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operation are done from left to right. Okay, repeat. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Now let's solve the question according to the rules. First, exponent. 2 power on the 5 equals 5 times 5 equals 25. Now, addition and multiplication. First, multiplication. 5 times 25 equals 125. Finally, addition. 5 plus 125 equals 2030. The correct answer will be 130. Today's we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. Solve the question, grant your answer in the comments. Don't forget to follow new videos. See you the next video. Bye.